Okay, so real quick before the rain kicks in again, I'm going to go over the fire kit giveaway that we're doing and what the components are. Now, the first component is from Condor Tool and Knife. It's from El Salvador. It is the Matt Graham, as you can see, his signature's burnt into that, but it is a bow drill divot. And what I like to do is I take and I put some fixing wax or something in here to kind of grease this up. And then when you're making a bow drill fire, you can lock on and really apply pressure, downward pressure on it. And I included number 36 tarred bank line, a length of it that's long enough to actually make your bowstring. I did not include the hearth board or the spindle because depending on where it goes, the wood's going to be different. I use the Dave Canterbury method to test it. Take a thumbnail, dig it in. If it leaves a notch, then it's soft enough. I usually use, where I'm at in Kentucky, I use tulip poplar as the hearth board, and I use usually like red cedar or something like that, or shagbark hickory as the spindle, because those are a harder wood. So you want to take a harder wood and drill it into a softer wood and use this as your bearing block to apply downward pressure. So this is included in that to practice your primitive fire making, your bow drill divot or bow drill method of making fire. And then the next thing is from All Mountain Systems. This is the Inferno cord. It's still in the original wrapping. They sent me a pack of this. And when I looked at it the first time, I looked at it this way and I said, oh, it's 2 layers. It's not 2 layers. It's actually 3 layers of Inferno cord. You can't see the third one because it's up here, but there's 3 of them, all individually packed. And then it's 2 or 4 longer pieces that are zip tied together. So this is the Inferno cord. It is a great tinder. You can actually take each one of those cords and undo it, and there's 3 strands in there, and then feather those out, so you get even more bang for your buck. Absolutely great product. I tried it out, and I'm very impressed with it. Next, there's going to be an ignition method, and it's going to be a ferro rod. I just don't know which one yet. I've tested probably 10 to 20 different ferro rods over time, and they're all different. Every brand has a different ferro rod because the mesh metal is either softer or harder, doesn't throw as many sparks, throws more sparks, etc. So this just represents the ferro rod that will be in there, but it may not be this exact one. And then next, there's going to be a bag of natural tinder. This is actually horsehoof fungus, and what this is used for is to put an ember in here and carry it over distance, or to maintain and hang on to it and then restart it at a fire somewhere else. So this stuff is really great. This is a piece I cut myself, and it's dry and it'll just hold an ember for a long time. So you're going to have your tinder, you're going to have an ignition method modern, you're going to have actual handmade tinder that is a modern solution, and then you're going to have your bushcraft practice um, bow drill set, basically, that you create yourself, but the bow drill bearing block is from Condor. So that's the things that are going to be included in the fire kit giveaway, and best of luck to everybody. And it'll come in a waterproof pack, and yeah, it'll be shipping out soon. So once it's all done and completed, I'll have a video of it for you, and you can take a look at it, and then we'll see who's going to win.